Shayla, Colourpop. That's how y'all gonna do me? That's how y'all gonna... Shoot, I was asleep. And y'all woke me up. Y'all said, hello, wake up. Wakey, wakey. Now I'm woke, okay? Y'all got my support. This, yeah.
Got to pay, added some sun and rain, blended it together with grace. Still I had to wait, cause it wanted me to be strong for the days I don't
Hey guys, it's been such a long time. I missed you guys. It's been forever. Okay, so this is, the first half is going to be a talk, because I'm going to show you some products that I'm actually going to use in this video, and then I'm going to do a voiceover for the rest while I do my makeup so that I can turn my fan on because these lights is hot. It's hot outside, and I want to watch Grey's Anatomy. So, yeah. So today I just took all this stuff out the boxes. So I have the Colourpop All-Star. I have the matte blurring primer and the face spray. I also got this amber crystal setting spray from Colourpop. I got Makeupshayla's highlighter in the color Pose. I also got their banana setting powder. I've seen a lot of good reviews about that. I got the Shayla lip gloss in Neat Freak. I got one of their pencils in BFF3. And I got Shayla's lipstick in Quickie. When I tell y'all, those products was like less than $30. Like, Shayla did a video last week or something like that, and it was like of her fave Colourpops, and then she gave a coupon code and all that, right? And so I'm like, okay, I don't really own nothing Colourpop, so, and everybody raving about Colourpop, so let me try Colourpop, right? Oh my God, why have I been asleep on Colourpop? Like, I've never used Colourpop. I'm gonna try a couple of things. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. But I got a whole little setup, a whole little nice little stuff. So we gonna get your girl started. Okay, so the rest is gonna be a voiceover because I want. See, that's why the rest is gonna be a voiceover because I get text messages in the middle of this because don't nobody know how to let somebody just do what they need to do. So the rest is gonna be voiceover so I can watch Grey's Anatomy, and I'll be back in a second.
Okay, so now I'm getting ready to try the Colourpop All-Star Primer. I'm pretty excited to try it. As you can see, we already know how I place my primer on my face all crazy. I'm a little suspect right here. Okay, so now I'm trying to figure out which Maybelline foundation I want to use. I've previously used the black top one, but I've never used the white top one. And it looks like I chose the black top. So I just put it on the back of my hand. The color match here looks a little weird, but in person it was fine. I don't know if it's the ring light that makes it or if the color is really off, but in the end my makeup still works out, so it's okay. Yeah, I'm a little scared at this point because it's so light compared to my tan. Ooh, I look like a ghost. Chill. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Ooh, I do not like the way this foundation came out. Oh my god. So I'm just placing my concealer in the normal areas. Again, this foundation, I didn't realize how it looked on camera. In person, I swear it didn't look like this, or in photos, but it actually really is concerning me at this point. But right now, I'm just blending out my concealer. This is just normal routine. I feel like we know this part, so that's why I sped it up. So hopefully me contouring darkens my face some from this casket ready foundation. So I'm just concealing with the LA Girl. I believe this is the color Chestnut. I believe. I feel like I squirted something else when my face was like that. I should have did way more contour than that to just fix the color of my face. But for the most part, it looks like the color was fixed here in this process. So that's a good thing, I guess you can say. But I was really concerned for this foundation because I looked casket sharp. Okay. Now I'm going to try the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in the color Banana. I will say, I recorded this video probably a month ago, and I am obsessed with how amazing this powder is. This powder is beautiful. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I surely learned that this is the wrong color. I probably should go a shade darker, but it got the job done. Now I'm taking the P. Louise base. Oh my god, it's my new holy grail. It's like pretty amazing. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I did most of my eye off of camera, but I'm taking the Shayla loose highlighter in Pose, and I'm just putting it in the center of my eye. Now I'm going to use the All Star Setting Spray, which I love so much now. It's so beautiful. I don't want to spray my eyes because I've learned that setting spray changes the colors of things, especially if you have liner or mascara on. We don't want those issues, so I just covered my face. And as you can see now, the foundation did turn out right. And I'm taking the Shayla highlight and put, oh, look at my reaction, y'all. When I tell you I've been asleep on Colourpop and Shayla. Y'all, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, it's my fave highlight right now.
Come on, Shayla! Woo!
So here I'm just lining my lips with Colourpop's lip liner in BFF3. Now I'm taking Shayla's lipstick Quickie, which is the perfect nude for me. Oh my god, it's my fave. I wear it every day. I am obsessed, y'all. Here I'm just going back in with BFF3 to fix my lip liner line. I like my line a certain way. I don't really know how to explain it, but you'll see in the video the way it is. I kind of like the ombre fade look between my lip liner, lipstick, and then I top it off with Neat Freak lip gloss. Look how pretty this lip turns out to be, y'all. It's amazing. Obsessed. Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I know this wasn't an in-depth tutorial the way you guys probably wanted it to be, especially for it to be my first video back, but I have an explanation. So the memory card that I have, it only holds so much, so I couldn't do too much, but guarantee you I'm going to get another memory card that'll hold a lot of space so I can go very in-depth with you guys. I was also chilling, watching Grey's Anatomy. My fan was on, so you know, I was just out here living my best life. But I gotta hurry up because I got somewhere to be in 20 minutes on the other side of town. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I know y'all like, how you gonna come back with a video and not explain yourself? Trust me, I got y'all. Okay, yeah. Trust me, I got y'all. Don't trip. Okay, I'm coming with a mukbang real soon. Okay, we got some things in store for y'all. Okay, we not just gonna just jump back in and not explain ourselves. Nah. It ain't going down like that. So, I hope you guys like this. Again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, NeyahNecole. And I love you guys so much.